Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles, and today I'm going to show you how to draw an elf on the shelf. So I'm going to start by drawing two little upside down U's. Okay, and then I'm going to draw a line underneath them. Now inside both of these shapes, I'm going to do a curved line. Now another curved line, and then I'm going to do the same again to both, and then a little tiny circle, and then color the rest in black. And now we're going to do two little lines right there, two little lines right here, and a line up top and another line up top. So now we've got the eyes done, and I'm going to do just a little tiny curve, and that's going to be his nose, and then we're going to give him a little smile. Now I'm going to start on some hair. So we've got a little shape like this, a little line, and then it comes down, and then we come back up. Now we're going to swoop down, swoop back up, and over on this side we're going to curve on down and come back up again. Now we're going to draw a face shape, so we're going to give him a rounded face, kind of just like a big U. And we're going to give him two little ears, and above his hair we're going to do just a line here. It's kind of curved on the ends. It's the top of his hat. So now we're going to come up on both sides and follow that curve we made, that line with the curves on the sides. Now we can make a pointy hat, great big triangle. And now we can do the collar of his shirt. So the collar of his shirt is going to come down on both sides for his shoulders, and then it's going to be jagged. It's going to be zigzags. So we're going to go in and come out, and go in, come out. Okay, so just these zigzags. Okay. Now I'm going to draw his arm. So we got a line, and another line. I'm going to come on down like that. Come on down like that. This here is his elbow. And I'm going to give him his mitten. So got a little line, then we're coming in on both sides, and we make it round here, and then we're going to give him a little thumb. Now his back, coming on down, and we're doing a little curve here. He's going to be sitting. So I'm going to do a line right here. It's slanted. These are going to be his knees pressed up against his body. He's sitting down, and his knees are coming up. And do a little straight line. And then we're going to come on down. Now we can see his other knee here. So we do another little straight line, and then come on down, follow that other line we did. Okay. Now his chest, do a straight line here. And we can do his other mitten right here. And then his arm is going to be coming out from that side of his body. So straight line here. And then we're going to do a curve here. And now right here, we need the other side of his arm. So we're just going to do another straight line. Now he needs his two little feet. So one little foot, gonna come on up, and another little foot. Now we can curve up. And we're gonna do one little straight line here. Okay, and now we need to do the other part of his other leg here. So we're gonna come on down. Okay, so now we've got our elf drawn, and now I'm gonna color him in. So to color our elf, I'm using a light color for his skin. This color is actually called Pearl. And then of course we're gonna have his outfit is gonna be all red, and his mittens are white, and his collar, the jagged zigzaggy collar, is also white. But I'm gonna use a light gray on some parts of it to add a bit of shadow. And his hair is gonna be brown. Oh, and I'm gonna give him blue eyes. Alright everyone, so we are done our picture of the elf on the shelf. I hope you had fun drawing, I hope you have a really good day, and I hope to see you here next time for the next Daily Doodle. Alright, bye!